Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you how to know if your Payoneer account has been successfully approved. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Payoneer account. After you have logged into your Payoneer account, submit the necessary document for account verification, such as whether your international passport or your driver's license or national identity card that might be required by Payoneer. After submitting those documents, next thing you want to do is to see and track your approval process. And for you to do that, I'm going to show you in this video. Once you log into your Payoneer account, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to your dashboard right here. Click on your profile name, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on settings. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to verification center, just like so. It's open up into this particular page. Now, what you need to do right here is to simply navigate to history. Click on history, then you have your history right here. So this account here got approved just like so right here, and the document was submitted in this particular date. You can see the date that the account was requested and the day the account got the approval. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know if your Payoneer account has been successfully approved. And once you get it approved, you can begin to receive funds or send out funds from that particular Payoneer account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Payoneer topics like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.